So, good morning, students. Myself, Professor P.B. Ingre, and today we have to conduct the lecture number 4. Okay. So, what is our title? Our today's title is relationship between an angle of incidence theta, declination angle delta, surface azimuth angle gamma, slope angle beta, angle of latitude phi, and our angle omega. Means whatever the solar radiation we have to geometry will be discussed, we have to get one equation, standard equations. What is the relationship in between all these solar angles? What is the standard equation? You should know the standard equations. Okay, so what is this equation? Cos theta. We know the theta means the angle of incidence. So cos theta is equal to what is sin phi in bracket sin delta cos beta plus cos delta cos omega cos gamma into cos beta plus cos phi in bracket cos delta cos beta cos omega minus sin delta cos omega sin beta plus cos delta sin gamma sin omega sin beta. So this standard equation you should know for the what type of the relationship between all these solar angles, guys. Okay, so here we have to consider the some cases. Okay, so what is the first case we consider? If the inclined surface is facing due to south, inclined surface means we know that if you consider here this surface, if you consider this inclined surface, this is our collector, and where is facing? It is facing toward the south direction. If you consider the south directions in that figure, this inclined surface is facing toward the south. Okay, and always we have to facing toward the south. So in that situation, suppose gamma angle is 0. We know this surface azimuth angle, this gamma, we already learned this definition. This one, the angle made between the projection of normal to the collectors and the line due to side, that is called as the surface azimuth angles. So if your collector is facing due to the south, so this gamma is overlap on these situations. The collector, the inclined surface in this way. Suppose this is our inclined plane surface. Okay, and this overlap on this. So during the overlapping, the normal projections, because we know this is the normal of projection on a collector, and suppose this line is facing toward the south, means it is overlap on this line. So in that situation, what is gamma is equal to 0. So this case we have to assume here this gamma becomes 0. Okay, so this gamma becomes 0. So in that situation, what is we get these equations? So what is consider boys, जहाँ जहाँ पे गैमा है वहाँ पे क्या रख देंगे? 0 पुट कर देंगे, क्योंकि लाइन ड्यू टू साउथ और प्रोजेक्शन जो है नॉर्मल टू द कलेक्टर वो क्या हो गए? ओवरलैप हो गए, तब गैमा हमारे पास में 0 बन गया. कौन से सिचुएशन के लिए? इफ इंक्लाइंड सरफेस इज फेसिंग ड्यू टू द साउथ. So if you put the gamma values, what is the equation we get? Cos theta is equal to what is? Cos delta cos omega into cos phi minus beta plus sin delta sin phi minus beta. Means cos 0 then multiplied by whole these things. Okay, you put the gamma will be 0 there, sin phi into sin delta cos beta plus cos omega, cos omega cos gamma. Cos 0 is what is? Cos 0 is 1 will be there. So there is a what is equation remaining? This one plus cos delta cos beta cos omega minus sin delta cos omega, once again is 0. Cos 0 is 1. But if you consider the sin omega, so what is the value of the sin 0? It is 0. So after putting this equation, we getting these standard equations. Okay. And another assumption also we consider also the noon. If you consider the noon situation, means at the afternoon, so we know that at the afternoon, what is the value of this hour angle? It is 0. If you observe in this figure here, our hour angles, it is shown by the letter omega. Now at a noon situations, our standard formula what is? Plus minus 12 minus solar time. So at a noon situation, what is the solar timing? It is 12. So 12 minus 12, what is? It is 0. So at a noon situation, omega becomes 0. Okay. So we already learned this definition, we know. So in that situation, we assume this parameter omega becomes 0. Okay. So what is we modify this equation? We getting what is cos theta, cos delta. This cos omega becomes 0. Cos omega becomes 0. Cos 0 is 1. If you put here cos 0, 0 is 1. So cos delta, cos phi minus beta, here sin delta, sin phi minus beta at a what is solar noon. Another assumption, if you consider, if the surface is horizontal and facing due to south, only we have to consider the surface, then means we are not consider there any inclined object will be there. सिर्फ हमारे पास पे सरफेस ही है, सिर्फ इस तरह का बच्चों, सिर्फ हॉरिजॉन्टल सरफेस है, यहाँ पे कौन से भी प्रकार का हमने कलेक्टर अभी नहीं रखा. ओके, तो यहाँ पे कलेक्टर ही नहीं रखा है, तो फिर स्लोप एंगल क्या बन गया, अपने आप 0 बन गया, राइट. So we have to assume this parameter, right? This is our second assumption. Beta becomes 0. Angle of incidence becomes what is there, zenith angle, and this gamma becomes 0. So what is the change? The angle of theta means angle of incidence is replaced by cos theta z, cos delta, this equation cos omega, cos phi. This beta becomes what is there, 0. So only what is remaining, cos phi, sin delta, sin, this beta becomes 0. So for only the horizontal surface facing due to the south position, what is the equation we get? Cos theta z into cos delta, cos omega, cos phi plus sin delta, sin phi. If the surface is vertical and facing due to the south, तब बीटा हमारे पास में कितना आ गया, 90 डिग्री, और गामा 0 है. तो फिर हमको क्या इक्वेशन मिलेगा, cos थीटा, cos डेल्टा, cos ओमेगा, cos phi plus sin delta, sin phi. These equations we know, right? Cos 0 is what is, cos 90 is what is 0. If you put here, so phi minus 90, only the cos delta will be here. Here sin and sin, phi minus beta. So sin phi minus beta is nothing but what is sin phi, because we know the sin 90 it is 1. So what is remaining here, sin phi, like that. Okay. So this is the equation you should know, from which equation we derive from the standard equations. So here guys, some definition, sunrise, sunset and day length. So we know the sunrise, we know the sunset and day length. Okay, day length means what is the distance between from this sunrise to sunset. This is nothing but what is the day length. जब सूरज निकल गया और सूरज डूब गया, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे बच्चों, डे लेंथ. यस और नो? यस. ओके, and this day length will be shown by the letter what is TD letters. Okay, this day length will be shown by the letter T suffix D guys. What is the unit? The unit of this day length is in hours. Okay, so what is the standard formula here also? Sunrise hour or sunset hour or day length depend upon the latitude, location, season and day in the years. Means what is the latitude will be there on this particular situation, this all this definition or this angle will be depends. As the angle of latitude increases from equator to north pole, the difference in the day length between summer and winter becomes more and more prominent. Okay, if you consider this assumption for horizontal surface facing due to south, so what is the equation we know? Cos theta is equal to cos delta, cos omega, cos phi plus sin delta, sin phi. At a sunrise or sunset, जब बच्चों हमारे पास में सनराइज और सनसेट है, तब हमारे पास में एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कितना रहता है, 90 डिग्री रहता है. थीटा ई बिकम्स 90 डिग्री. तो ये ऊपर की इक्वेशन में हमने अगर फार्मूले पुट किए तो हमको क्या मिलेगा, देखिए, द आवर एंगल एट सनराइज और सनसेट फॉर हॉरिजॉन्टल सरफेस इज डिटरमाइन द बिलो इक्वेशन. यू शुड नो दिस स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन. ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू, बाय यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशंस, बाय एडजस्टमेंट इन दैट इक्वेशन वी कैन डिटरमाइन दिस फार्मूला. तो ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स माइनस tan phi tan delta. Yes or no? Yes. So we getting this our angles during which situation, in that situation. So for omega plus for sunset and negative for what is sunrise. So when positive then sunset and for sunrise the omega becomes negative. So day length is given by, what is the equation for day length? It is 2 by 15 cos inverse minus tan phi tan delta. So you should know these all standard equations, okay, and very easy equation. This equation, how to determine? By dividing this equation by which value? By dividing the which term? We divide the cos delta and cos phi. Okay, yes or no? Yes. So because of that we getting this equation guys will be theirs. क्योंकि ये इक्वेशन को हमने अगर डिवाइड कर दिया cos डेल्टा से तो cos phi से, तो फिर ये टर्म क्या हो जाएंगी? कैंसल. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? cos साइन अपॉन cos मतलब क्या हो गया? tan. यहाँ पे भी साइन अपॉन cos phi मतलब क्या हो गया? tan phi. Yes or no? Yes. तो what is we getting the our angles? Our angle getting the cos inverse minus tan phi tan delta. और थीटा कितना हो गया हमारे पास में? 90. तो cos 90 क्या हो जाएगा हमारे लिए? 0 हो जाएगा. तो ये टर्म इधर शिफ्ट होके बन गई ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू cos इनवर्स माइनस tan phi tan delta. Very simple mathematics guys. Okay. So after determining this whole formula, if you consider for a inclined surface facing due to the south, inclined surface means there is a this collector will be considered now, right? So if you consider the collector, then there is a beta angle will be there for inclined surface. Yes or no? Yes, this is our collector. So we know this formula, cos theta is equal to cos delta cos omega cos phi minus beta plus sin delta sin phi minus beta. At sunrise or sunset, we know the angle of incidence becomes 90 degree. So what is our angle here? Once again same as it is, cos inverse minus tan phi minus beta into tan delta guys here. Once again what is we divide here? We divide the which term here? Cos delta upon cos phi minus beta. तो cos phi minus beta कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा बच्चों sin phi अपॉन cos phi tan phi. यहाँ पे आ गया बच्चों tan phi minus beta और cos 90 की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 0. सो वी गेटिंग द अवर एंगल इन दैट सिचुएशन cos इनवर्स माइनस tan phi minus beta into tan delta. If omega for an inclined surface facing due to the south, what is the equation? Minimum. So what is the equation? Omega is equal to cos inverse minus tan phi tan delta or cos inverse minus tan phi minus beta into tan delta guys. Yes or no? Yes, very simple formula. And how to determine? By dividing this equation which term? Cos delta cos phi minus beta. So if you divide this term and this term, तो we getting this. और ये cos 90 कितना हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Okay. So after determine this whole the things guys, we have the simple numericals. So this numerical we have to solve. This is very IMP numericals. This numerical always ask for what is 7 marks in every exam if you observe. So it is very simple numerical. Let's we start this numericals. Calculate the angle made by a beam radiations. Means what is we determine? We determine the value of the theta will be here. Right? Calculate the angle made by a beam radiation. Means angle of incidence we have to determine here. With normal to of flat plate collectors. Means we know that there is a inclined plane surface will be given. This is our collectors. Right? We know this is the beta angle, slope angles. Right? Right? This is our collectors. Right? South, north, east, west. We know the all angle. There is a this sun rays will be there. This will be incidents. Okay, we know all this solar radiation geometry we already learn. Once again I show this figure to you guys. These figures. Okay, the same figure will be there. This one. बराबर है. So calculate the angle made by a beam radiation with normal to a flat plate collectors. This is our flat plate collectors. This is the flat plate collectors. Okay. what we determine? We determine this angle theta, angle of incidence, the angle of incidence made between this sun rays, and this is the normal to a flat plate collectors, guys. Yes or no? Yes, we determine these theta angles. Okay, so this is the question mark. Flat plate collector, on which day? This December 1st. So the day is given December 1st. So this show by later. What is the value of the n for this particular situation? December 1st, guys. Which is the day? This is the 335 day of the years. N is the day of the years, because we know total day is what is 365. So 1st December 335. Okay. At 9 a.m. means what is the time will be given? Our local solar time will be there. What is local solar time is what is 9 a.m. early morning. Solar time for our locations. Okay, so this 20 degree and 35 degree and 35 minutes north means we have to given here what is latitudes angles. So here is a given the guys latitude angles. What is the latitude angle will be given there? The latitude angle will be given there. This pi is what is 20 degree 35 minutes north. So first of all you convert this 35 minutes into the degree. So how convert 35 minutes divided by 60? So this becomes what is 0.58 degree. So what is this? You plus after plus pi is equal to 28.58 degree. This is the latitude angles. Okay, सोलर टाइम फॉर अ लोकेशन, जहाँ पे हमने फ्लैट प्लेट कलेक्टर लोकेट किया है वहाँ का लैटिट्यूड हमको ये दिया है. The collector is tilted at an angle of what is latitude plus 10 degree. Means this beta angle will be given. So this beta is given what is latitude plus 10 degrees. How much latitude? 28 degree plus 10. So how much beta? The beta becomes is 38.58 degree, guys. Okay, with the horizontal and pointing due to the south. तो अब ये थीटा हमको निकालना है. You see here, guys. So before that, first of all we calculate the first parameter, what is declination angles. Declination angles. So how determine this delta? So we know this formula, we already learned this equation. Delta is equal to what is 23.45 sine bracket 360 divided by 365 into 284 plus n. Okay, and we know the value of the n is what is 335, day of the year, day of year. You just put here. So delta is equal to 23.45 sine in bracket what is, guys, 360 divided by 365 into 284 plus n. So what is the n? 335. So you do the simple calculation. After do the calculation, what is we getting delta? You getting the delta is minus 22.11 degree, guys. Okay. Then second parameter we have to determine what is the hour angles. Hour angles. What is the symbol of the hour angle, guys? What is omega? So how can you determine the omega? What is the standard formula? We know that for hour angles, we know this formula, right? So just we have to use this formula. Hour angle is equal to plus minus 12 minus solar times. Okay. So 12 minus solar time into 50 degree. So 12 minus local solar time into a 50 degree. So omega is equal to 12. What is the local solar time here? 9 into 15. So how much our angle? It is 45 degree, guys. Then after that, what is we determine the angle of incidence? So what is the formula we have? we have this formula cos theta I is equal to cos, right? We know recently we learned this formula. Which formula, guys? This formula cos delta cos omega cos phi minus beta plus sin delta sin phi minus beta, guys. So we write down these formulas here to obtain the equations. Okay, so what is cos phi minus delta into cos delta into cos omega plus sin phi minus this beta. Some books given beta or delta slope angle. So cos phi minus beta okay. So cos phi minus beta cos delta cos omega plus sin phi minus beta into sin delta. So you just put all the values. Cos latitudes, how much latitude will be there, guys? 28.58 degree minus beta is how much? 38.58 degree into declination angle, what is cos minus 22.11. okay, then cos omega, how much? Cos 45 degree, okay, plus sin phi, what is the phi? 28.58 degree minus beta is how much? 38.58 degree into sin declination, how much? 22.11 degree. So after solving whole the things, guys, okay, what is the answer you getting? Theta, the theta will be getting 44.72 degree. So this is the angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence on a horizontal, on an inclined surface. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the very IMP numerical, guys. In these equations you can remember, and these numericals always ask in the exam, as it is very IMP numericals. Okay, and this is the one standard definition. You also know local apparent time. So local apparent time, what is? It is local civil time plus equation of a time or time corrections. So local civil time LSCT is equal to what is? Standard clock time plus minus standard longitudinal for a clock time minus longitude of a locations. So LST is equal to IST plus minus LST minus L local into 4. So this is a simple way. Okay, so what is the IMP today? Today IMP only this numerical, guys. Okay, very IMP numericals and very IMP always ask in exam. Every paper for 7 marks. Okay, so here is the end of our unit number 1. The end of unit number 1 is completed. This formula never asked in the exam. Okay, there is only the just for understanding point of view. Suppose in exam calculate the day length, so you can use this formula day length for calculation 2 by 15 cos inverse minus tan phi tan delta. So by using this equation you can also determine the value of the what is day length also, guys. Yes or no? Yes. So very easy problems, very interesting problem, and always ask in exam. Okay, so you should only know the formula very well. Okay, after you know the formula you can solve any problem, but this problem as it is asked in the problem only what is the change of the values, only there is a change in values. Okay, but your numerical or formula as it is. So this is the end of the first unit. What we learn, guys, in that equations we learn the simple different type of radiations. beam radiation, diffuse radiation, then terrestrial radiation, extraterrestrial radiations, then what is structure of the sun, solar radiations data. Then what is we learn here? Here is we learn the solar constant values, then different solar angles, theta z, gamma s, alpha s, and this theta, and then we this different definitions, meridian, earth of equator, poles of earth, then this latitude angles, okay, and these declination angles, hour angles, different zenith angles, definitions, right? And this relationship today. Okay, so this is the overall a very simple syllabus, less syllabus, okay, and this question is asked very simple. Explain the solar radiation measurement devices. We know the pyranometers and pyrheliometers, one numericals, one theoretical question. Explain all solar radiation geometry. So you draw the diagram of the solar radiation geometry and explain the all solar angles, guys. Okay, so I stop here. In next lectures we will start our unit number 2, what is the flat plate collectors and concentrating solar collectors. Okay, so stay at home, stay safe. Thank you very much.